Hi, I'm Ajmal.
Today we are going to learn about large language modules. Let's decode what is LLM. LLM is nothing but large language modules. It is an advanced AI system capable of understanding and generating human-like text. For example, if the user enters a text with a grammar mistake, but the LLM will understand the human-like text and provide a corrected sentence of human-like text. These LLMs are trained with large amount of language data, so it can able to understand, summarize and translate, even create content with a remarkable fluency. Language translation. It, when the user enters a text, it can able to convert one language to another. Content summarization. If you have a lengthy document or a website, it can able to summarize the content for the user. Sentimental analysis. If the user enters the data or if user speaks, it provides the emotional tone and it is analyze its sentimentals. Let's see how ChatGPT comes into life, because we know everyone knows about ChatGPT. The ChatGPT and similar LLMs are built with immense digital knowledge. How ChatGPT has this much digital knowledge? There are two web crawlers, internet crawlers and web crawlers, has comes into the pot. These crawlers will get information from the internet and it will collect it from the public available informations. These are the main programs which used for the LLM algorithm to maintain its feed stock. The training journey of LLM. There are two phases. Phase 1 pre-training and phase 2 is fine-tuning. Pre-training. From the web crawler, we will be getting large amount of data. The quantity of the data is high, but the quality of the data will be vary. Sometimes some internet information might be wrong. So the fine-tuning process has been happened here. It will provide a high quality data and accurate and safe, aligned with the human expectation. Fine tuning is the technical heart of the advanced AI. There are three core main steps for fine tuning: supervised fine tuning, training a reward module, and reinforcement of learning from human feedback. The brain behind the text, ANN and transformers. Let's talk about ANN. In the LLM, there is functions called artificial neural network. It's called ANN. What is the purpose of artificial neural network? If the user enters a text, it will generate a aligned relevant text for the user, but it might be wrong or right. It will provide a relevant content. It is called as deep learning. And we can talk about the architecture. The most significant architecture for this LLM is transformer architecture. We can have a separate section for this transformer architecture. It has large amount of data to discuss. So everyone knows about tokenization. So we can talk about token. The main thing in this LLM is token. The raw text the user provided will be converted into tokens. It might be a smaller or manageable units. The tokens has some range. Sometimes it takes a full range or subwords or individual character, depend upon the specified tokenizer used. For example, learning AI. Learning may be one token, AI may be one token. Sometimes L may be taken as one token, E, A, or N, I, N, G are separated as a tokens. Let's note it down like for request and response. There are different tokens calculation has been happened. So let's know about RAG. What is the purpose of RAG? Why we need to use RAG? RAG is the main thing we use in LLMs. LLMs are created in the past, so the data will be outdated. To make the data as latest version, the RAGs are used. The RAGs will take the data from the internet and update it in their vector DB or whatever they store. If you integrate the LLM with a RAG, it provides the updated data. This is the workflow of RAG. The normal LLM, the user queries, the query will be taken from the LLM, and the LLM provides the data what it has, not the latest data, it provides to the user. When it comes for RAG flow, the user query, it provides to the vector DB and retrieves from the vector DB, and it provides to the user. It provides the latest version of the data. It is a purpose RAG is used and integrated. Thank you for watching. We will be having next video about transformer architecture and tokenization in the next upcoming session. Thank you.